We got a question from one of our clients that I would like to address in this video. His question is, as an international student, can I return home to travel outside Canada during my studies? And the answer to this is yes, you could definitely travel. But one of the key things that a lot of applicants make a mistake on is there's a difference between your TRV and your study permit. Your study permit is your status document in Canada. Your TRV is the document that allows you to travel back and forth and re-enter Canada. So you not only have to ensure that you have a valid study permit so that you can enter Canada back as a student, but also that your TRV stamp in your passport is also valid. And that's extremely important. Now, before this year, there was two ways of getting a TRV. One was single, one was multiple. So you may have an old TRV that may say single entry. You got to be cautious of that as well. In 2014, they changed it where it's always multiple. So for the validity of that TRV, you can travel back and forth. However, old TRVs actually specify single or multiple. So check out your passport, check out the TRV stamp, make sure it's a multiple entry, make sure it's valid, and make sure your study permit is valid as well. If your study permit is valid, however, you have an expired TRV, then we would have to apply for a TRV to the consulate in New York or Los Angeles for an expedited TRV so that you can travel. Usually current processing times for that is about 4 weeks. So keep that in mind with your travels as well. And also, obviously, the consulate will require your original passport so they can issue a new TRV. Meaning you don't necessarily have to file the application in your home country and submit that passport there. Usually it could be all handled in the United States. So keep in mind the validity of the passport, that's the validity of the passport, the validity of the TRV, that it's a multiple entry visa, and also the validity of your study permit. I hope that clarifies this question in regards to if you can travel outside. If you have any further questions, feel free to give us a call or email us. Thank you, and until next time.